Today's video is regarding Canon Pixma TS3429 printer. I'm going to show you how to set up your printer with the Windows 10 laptop. Now first step is to go to the laptop. In the Windows laptop, open Canon website. So type in Canon IJ setup. Canon IJ setup. So click on the Canon official manuals. So this is the Canon website. Click on the setup. Enter your model number, that is TS3429, and click on the enter button. It will display the printer here. Click on the start button. Now click on the connecting to a computer or smartphone. Click on the download. Open the file. You will see the setup will start here. So click on the start setup button and just follow the on-screen instructions. So this might take 5 to 10 minutes as it's going to download all the drivers required for the printer to work wirelessly. So it's going to connect wirelessly. Click yes. Make sure your laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you are going to connect the printer. Here we can see the connection is successful. In case it asks you to enter the password, you can enter manually, otherwise it can just connect automatically. So our printer is connected. Click next. Make sure you download all the drivers, so just complete all the 4 steps. Now if you want, you can continue online, or you can just cancel it. So you can double check if printer is completely downloaded or not. For that, simply go to the settings and then printers and scanners. Here you will see the name of your printer. Click on it. Click on the manage button, and here you will see all the options regarding this printer. Like it has a scanner as well. So that means we have completely downloaded it. For scanning, simply click on the scan button, and here you will see open scanner. Now make sure you have downloaded the Windows Scan app, only then automatically it will start to work. And before scanning, you can just select if you want a JPEG, PDF, so it has the option for JPEG, and click on the scan icon here. Overall, it's very easy to set up the printer and then you can use it. Thanks for watching.